Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Informative Chika here, and yes, another information, another topic. So, andito po tayo today with these beautiful silver teacups. Yes. Diba, ang gaganda nila. So, this is our topic. So, anyways, diba, ang silver ay ginagamit sa jewelry, ginagamit sa ganito nga sa silver, sa kitchenwares, mga ganun. And yes, ito po ang ating topic. So, ito nga, nakakita ko ng silver ware or trays, teacups dito sa aking work. So, ito ang ating i-topic today. So, this is silver 925. 925 ano siya, yung tatak niya. So, syempre, silver, metal, gold, bronze, yan mga ganyang metal ay may mga differences sa value po nila. So, ang silver is a relatively soft and extremely ductile and malleable transitions metal. So, though it is slightly less malleable than gold, silver crystallizes in a face-centered cubic lattice with bulk coordinations number 12. Yan. And where only the single 5s elections is delocalized. So, sino po mahilig sa silver? Okay? So, similarly to copper and gold. Yan. So, silver is a chemical element. It has symbol Ag. From Latin, argentum, silver, and atomic number 47. It exhibits the highest electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, and reflectivity of any metal. Silver is found in the earth crust in the pure, free elemental form, native silver. Diba? So, kung aanuhin mo to, kung kakalakalin mo pala doon sa crust in the pure part of the earth. So, 'di ba? Kaya ang mamahal nila kasi hirap ito kunin. Gaya ng mga gold, lalong-lalo naman ang diamond. So, sabi dito, as an alloy with gold and other metals and in minerals such as argentite and chloragyrite, most silver is produced as a byproduct of copper, gold, lead, and zinc refining. Yan. So, yun nga, atomic number Z, number 47, group 11, tapos period 5, block, D block. Tapos, electron free configuration is for the 10th 5s1. Yan. Electrons per shell is 2, 8, 18, 1. Paste is solid, melting point, yun na. Boiling point, density point, marami pang iba. So, sabi dito, silver has long been valued as a precious metal, which is tama nga naman. Itong silver nga naman, guys, talaga namang isa sa mga valued metal na ginagamit. Yun nga ginagamit sa kitchenwares and most especially sa mga jewelries. Yan. Tapos, silver has long been valued as a precious metal, commonly solid and marketed beside gold and platinum. Silver metal is used in many bullion coins. Yes, hindi lang sa mga jewelries, hindi lang sa mga kitchenwares, kundi sa mga coins din. sometimes alongside with gold. While it is more abundant than gold, it is much less abundant as a native metal. Its purity is typically measured on the per mille basis, as 94% pure alloy is described as 0.94 fine. Yun. As one of the 7 metal of antiquity, silver has an enduring role in the most human culture. In terms of scarcity, silver is the most abundant of the big 3 precious metals, platinum, gold, and silver. Among these, platinum is the rarest, with around 139 troy ounces of silver mined from every of the platinum. So, other than currency and an investment medium, coins and bullions, silver is used in solar panels, water filtrations, jewelry, yun nga sinasabi ko, ornaments, high-value tableware, and utensils. Eto na. Diba? Mahal to. Mahal to, guys. And then, hence the term silverware, di ba? Yun. In electrical contracts and conductors, in specialized mirrors, windows, coatings, in catalysis of chemical reactions as a colorant in stained glasses, and in specialized confectionery. Its compounds are used in photography and X-ray films. Oh, very useful ang silver. Dilute solutions of silver nitrate and other silver compounds are used as disinfectant and microbicides, yun. Oleogenic effects added to bandage or wound dresses, catheters, and other medical instruments. So, ang silver ay very useful pala. Ang dami niyang pwedeng gamitin. Hindi lang sa mga jewelry, hindi lang sa mga silverwares, kundi pati din sa medical, and at the same time, pati rin sa pati rin sa mga gamit sa solar, mga ganun. So, it is very important din pala tong silverware na to. So, salamat po muli, guys, sa pagtutok sa aking video. Another video na naman po ang ating naalaman tungkol sa silver. So, kita-kita po muli tayo sa aking mga susunod pang mga videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Informative Chika here. Ingat po tayo, and God bless us all. Goodbye!